test the decibel level as well. 2 into 1. And she has a stage 2 in that bike, so it is 4 cam in here, 585 cam, 10.5 to 1 compression. 2023 Road King Special. This one is a Bassani 2 into 1, the M8 with the stainless steel.
That one said 100.
I like that one's at 95. Screaming Eagle pipe. So just one step up from a stock pipe. That's a nice profile. When you get, how loud can I get?
Oh, 80.
There we go. All right. The S&S. No, that's not the right one. S&S 2 into 1 in chrome on this one. We're going to the 2021 Heritage. This one is a freewheeler. This one is a stage 2 465. Come on, everybody else left me their keys, Wayne. Aware of too is if they don't have baffles in them is another reason why they can't. Down on this end here we have, they have an electronic baffle in them. So there is a button here on the dash.